Say hello, good morning, Mr. Shiggies. So you guys know that Sugar usually sleeps in his bed, but in the morning when he's awake, he always comes to say good morning to me, and I can't resist. I let him come up on the bed for a little bit. Like, I literally cannot resist. It is 9:40. Today's a little bit of a later day for me. I've actually been making an effort for the past 2 weeks to wake up early. I've been waking up around 8:30. So as you guys saw earlier, I wake up around 6:30, sometimes 6:45 to take Sugar outside to potty and also to feed him, and then we come back to sleep. First thing I'm gonna do is actually brush my teeth, and then second thing I'm gonna do is wash my face. I've actually really been loving this. One thing I will always do in the morning is wash my face with super cold water, because it really just helps me wake up. I'm not a morning person, you guys know this. You can probably tell by my energy in the beginning of this video, I'm just like really chill. I'm not a morning person, so this helps me wake up. Now I'm gonna use some vitamin C serum, 2 pumps because I'm gonna put 1 pump on my face and 1 pump on my neck. And then this is super important, you guys, not only because it's summer, please use your sunscreen. I never used to be good at doing it every day, but now I'm just really getting serious about it. You need to apply SPF, 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 SPF. No matter if it's July or December, January, February, apply your SPF. So I have actually been using this CeraVe Light Moisturizer with SPF 30 in it, which is really good. Make sure you put enough so that you're getting enough SPF. And then another 2 pumps on my neck. Then I will put on body sunscreen. This is the one that I really like. It's so nice. It's invisible and it gives you a nice glow. And yeah, then that's pretty much it. I should have applied my eye cream before I did my moisturizer, but I forgot. So now I'm just gonna do it quickly. And this one is like running out. And next, I'm actually also gonna be putting on this face tanning bronzing mist. Since I'm not gonna be wearing any makeup today, this is perfect because it's completely see-through. It doesn't do anything to my skincare. It's just gonna be tanning my face throughout the day. Oh, deodorant. Today is going to be a really chill day. I actually have some work to do on the computer, some editing, but because it's summertime, I love to take advantage of going for walks, especially with Sugar Boy. So that's the first thing I'm going to do this morning after I eat breakfast. So I just kind of want to, you know, put on a nice t-shirt. I never get like dressed fancy or anything. I usually don't wear makeup on a daily basis. I only wear makeup if I'm going out somewhere, like going shopping or to an appointment or like to a get together, just something like that. But today I'm just gonna be at home chilling, going for walks, super chill day. I don't wear makeup on a daily basis, so we're gonna be au naturel. So let's pick out something to wear. I've kind of already thought about this, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie and pretend like this is, you know, all live here. I think I'm actually going to wear, oh, I should wear my YSL t-shirt. I was actually planning on wearing this, even though it's a long sleeve. It's not incredibly hot today. It is super hot today, but I was gonna wear like shorts with it, so that's not bad. It evens it out, I feel like. Okay, so I wore the YSL tee recently, so I don't want to be like a little outfit repeater within too close of time frame, you know? So anyways, I wanted to show you guys what type of bra I wear on an everyday basis. To keep it real with you, if I'm just throwing on a t-shirt, then I will just throw on a, what do you call these? Bralette. There you go. So I will just throw on a bralette, and this has recently been my favorite one. Alrighty, there we go. Also, I quickly want to mention, I usually get dressed after I eat breakfast, but today I'm not like starving. I'm hungry, but I'm not like starving, so I don't mind like just getting dressed now, you know. Alright, so for hair, I'm just going to quickly brush it. As you guys can see, it has such like a blowout, nice blowed out look. I actually used the Revlon blowout brush that I showed you guys on the vlog channel, and I really love it. So today I think I'm just gonna quickly do a half up, half pony. That way my hair can be out of my face and out of my way while I'm working later, but I can still feel cute and feel like I styled it, you know? And it gives it a nice little, you know? And I'm done. Okay, so before I go downstairs and eat breakfast, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Kenzie. I'm so excited, you guys, because I have an amazing product to share with you. So for today, I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about IPL. So I mentioned to you that I actually did my IPL last night. So you guys know that I've done laser hair removal for about the last 2 years. But what I love about IPL is it's something that I can do at home as maintenance. But if you guys do want to remove your hair, you can use IPL alone. It's absolutely amazing. What I love about this is a little box that it comes in. Also, while I'm talking, you guys are going to see me insert the clip that I took last night of me demoing it and showing you guys how I was using it on my arms. It's so quick and easy, not to mention affordable, you guys. Going to a clinic to get any sort of laser to remove hair can be so expensive, and I love bringing you guys products that are affordable because I know not everyone can just dish out thousands of dollars. It's super expensive. So this is such a great alternative. We all want to be hairless, let's be real. Maybe not all, but like a large percentage of us want to be hairless, and we want to look good, feel good, especially for the summer, so that when you're in bikinis or in shorts like I am today, you can be hairless and smooth and flawless. So the first thing you get in the box is a little quick start guide, which I absolutely love because it's going to go into detail. Comes with the plug, which is really long, so that's great because you can plug it in and still have, you know, enough room to like move around and use it. You can use this on your entire body, which is great. So this is what the tool looks like. I will show you guys how it looked yesterday when it's all plugged in and lit up and everything. I love how easy it is to hold, like just the sleekness of it. It fits in your hand really easily. It's actually really light to carry as well, so it makes doing it really easy. Like I said, you don't have to, especially if you're like me and you're an introvert and you hate going out, you just love doing everything from the comfort of your own home. This is absolutely perfect. I'm totally obsessed, and I know you guys will be too. It's super safe and effective, of course. It's really easy to use. It's what's the word, cost effective? I don't know, but it's gonna save you some coins. Because I'm the type where I'm like, well, why would I want my underarms to be hairless, but I'm not gonna do my legs, and then I'm not gonna do my bikini or my Brazilian, or I'm not gonna do, like, I want the whole shebang. I want my entire body to be hairless. So this is, you're literally saving thousands of dollars, and again, you can do this in the comfort of your own home. Take a shower, you wanna make sure to exfoliate. That's what I do. I make sure to exfoliate so I can get any dead skin and any leftover tan off of my body. And then make sure you don't apply any creams. Let your body kind of dry a little bit, because you know when you come out of the shower, your body is still a little bit like moist. I know people hate that word, but it is. So yeah, let your body like fully dry. I personally use level 5 on this just because I am pretty experienced, so I know that I'm good with level 5, but you do want to test a spot on your skin first. Like start at level 1 and do it. Also, I can't believe I forgot to mention this. This is completely painless, you guys. I know a lot of you are gonna ask, does it hurt? No, like you won't even bat an eyelid. Like it literally does not hurt. It's the tiniest little prick, so it's absolutely incredible. I love that you're saving money, but you're also, I mean, it's like nearly painless. So if you're wondering how often you need to do this, you only need to do this about once a week for 12 treatments, usually 12 treatments. It really depends on the person. You kind of just want to see your own, how your own body is. You'll see a significant reduce in your hair in like 3 to 4 weeks-ish. This actually retails for $229, which in itself is like sold. You can take my money because that is such a deal. Like I said, you're saving thousands of dollars. But you guys know I got a little discount for you because I'm not gonna do a sponsor without hooking you guys up with a discount. So I do have a discount code that's going to make this even more affordable. I'm gonna leave the discount code on the screen. Also leave it in the description box down below, again, so it's easier to read. You guys can just copy and paste it. I'm gonna leave the link, the direct link to this product down below, first thing in the description box as well. So definitely check it out, you guys. Like I said, we all want to be hairless for summer. I feel like laser hair removal has just, you know, been on the up and up over the past few years. So I will say it's one of those trends that I am so happy I got on that wavelength, because it's helped me. Seriously, this device has helped me so much with maintaining my hair loss, but just in general, embarking on the laser hair removal journey has been a blessing to me because I literally no longer shave. Like I'm wearing shorts today and I haven't shaved in weeks. It's incredible. So yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna go downstairs and make some breakfast because your girl is hungry. All right, let me just quickly show you guys today's fit. Mr. Sugar Boy. Yeah, so I feel like it's just comfy, it's cozy. I'm always wearing biker shorts or cycling shorts, whatever you want to call them, in the summer, or just leggings and throw on a t-shirt. First thing I will do every single morning is fill up my water bottle So I've actually been really big on vitamins too. So I will take a vitamin D every single, it's hard for you guys to see, a vitamin D every single morning. I still love my Care of vitamins, by the way, so I'll take those. I'll take a vitamin D every single morning, and I will also take these, which is new. I just got a package in the mail of a company they're so sweet. They actually just sent these to me because they noticed that I'm like on a weight loss journey and that I lost weight. So these are Fiber Smart. It says to take 4 a day. So I've just been trying it, to be honest with you. I just started trying that like 2 days ago. So I will take all of these. It's a challenge because it's a lot of vitamins going down this throat at once, but your girl can do it. All right, we got the bacon cooking. Just remember, when you're wearing a nice shirt, you don't want the bacon splatters to go all over you. So I'd literally be like, I'd be flipping my bacon like this, like standing far back because you do not want to get oil on my shirt. Learned that the hard way. Happened to me once. This has been preheating. Stand far back. I don't like eating cold mango, but unfortunately this was in the fridge to keep it from going bad. So I'm gonna cut it up and hope that by the time the food is done, it'll kind of get down to room temperature. So now what I'll do for the mangoes, I literally just cut. Be careful so you don't cut your skin on your hand underneath, so you just go slowly. I'm just cutting slices in it. And that's it. I'll leave it like this, and I will actually just eat it with a spoon. I am gonna pat the bacon a little bit. Yummy. Oh, another thing that I will do is I will always eat my food, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but for this one specifically breakfast, I will eat while I'm watching TV or on my laptop, which right now I'm currently obsessed with Love Island. You guys know this. Okay, so as you guys know, we're actually moving soon, so that's why there's no carpet. But yeah, I'll use this like little table and just eat my food while I watch Love Island. Yeah, I'm done eating, so I'll honestly just pause my show. I won't sit here and watch the entire episode because it's kind of a waste of time. I want to get my day started. I want to take Sugar Boy outside and then start editing and getting work done, and then I will resume this episode later on in the evening once I'm like done working and everything. Okay, so I will bring my dishes to the sink, actually to the dishwasher. This is something that is a major part of my routine, guys. So what I do is I actually make sure that the dishwasher, it's so bright, I actually make sure that the dishwasher is empty every day, so that dirty dishes don't go in the sink. Dirty dishes go directly in the dishwasher. That way I never have to do dishes. So it's actually really helped so much. It's one less chore that's on my list of things to do. I will just start cleaning up and putting everything away. Yeah, putting everything in the dishwasher and tidying up, because I don't like to start my day with a dirty kitchen. I just don't like it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'll probably fast forward to this part. I'm actually gonna start taking Sugar Boy for a W right now. I can't say the full word because he knows what it means and he'll go crazy. But lately on his walks, I've really been good with training him on not to pull on the leash. So he doesn't pull on the leash anymore. But when we go on walks, he still is so high energy that like he's literally like fast jogging, and I'm just like, you need to chill. So I'm trying to teach him how to just like calm down and slow down a little bit and not walk so fast. Like, I'm cool if he just does like a nice little, you know, nice little walk. He like fast jogs. So I'm trying to train him and get him to be a little bit more attentive in distracted situations, and also not to run up to strangers when they pass by on the walk, because he's such a friendly dog, which is great, but there's some people don't like dogs, so I don't want him to like run up to people. So I've been taking these little treats on my walks with him, and I've been training him with it. And Sugar's number one thing is food. He will do anything for food. He actually loves these. I'm really picky with what treats I get him. The ingredients in this is just chicken, really clean. He's actually been really well behaved on his walks, and I've been training him with these, and it's been working. So I'm gonna do it today again and keep it consistent, and also get some sun. I feel like I need some sun. I like to, you know, I don't like to go out much. You guys know I'm a homebody, but it's just so, I love the summer, and I love the sun, so it's so nice to just get out for a little bit. So I'm gonna get out right now from like usually like a 20-minute walk. I want them to see you. Sit. Good boy. Stay. 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 Good boy. I love this leash, you guys, because it has a little hook on it, so I get to put his little doggy poop bag. Don't mind the moving boxes at the back, you guys. We're getting prepped. Okay, so another reason why I love that little hook, I get to put my keys on the little hook, so I can be hands-free with the keys. Relax. Good boy. Right, I've locked the door and I'm ready to go. Hey, slow. Good boy, slow. Oh my god, it's a work in progress, you guys. Honestly, I should have put sunscreen on my legs, but I forgot that I'm wearing shorts. Anyways, there's nothing I love more than this beautiful, like, just scenery and just going for walks. It's just so peaceful. Like, this is what I love to do. Oh, I wish it could be summer all the time. See how he's a little bit more calm now? If it was up to Sugar, he would just run through this entire situation here. He's a little explore bird. All right, you guys, so I am actually going to end the video here. So pretty much all I'm gonna do after this is start editing for the day, or doing whatever work I have to do, whether it is work emails or editing, or if I need to film. If I need to film, this is a completely different routine, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, so whatever work I need to do, I will do it now, or when I get home, obviously. I do have a really like chill morning routine, because as I said, I'm not a morning person, so I love to start my day, especially in the summer, with just a really chill vibe. It just gets me going for the day. Super blessed to have the job that I have and the career that I have, and it's because of your guys' support, to be honest with you, that I'm able to even, you know, be my own boss and run my own career and get to run my schedule how I want. So this is what I do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Kenzie IPL tool. I'll actually leave it down below with the discount code and link and everything for you guys to shop. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.